Hey traders, my name is Austin Silver. I really appreciate you being here for this video. Today, I'm going to take a few minutes and be as brief as I can to show you what ASFX is, how we do what we do, and how we've made an impact on thousands of traders from all over the world. Now, there's a lot of trading education on the internet, I know, and it's going to become even more of a crowded space as time goes on and more people get invested into the market. But you're going to see, hopefully by the end of this video, that what we do at ASFX is very different from all the other trading education companies across all the other different asset classes. You're not going to find 3 proprietary back-tested entry and exit systems like this anywhere else. So before we get into the nitty-gritty, if you would, let's back up. This is asfx.biz. This is our main website where you're going to find everything that is ASFX. First, you'll notice we have a couple of clickable links at the top here. We're going to go one by one and go over that. I'm also going to, in a few minutes here, show you what it looks like once you join the team and take the courses. I'm going to show you the back end of that on Kajabi. But first, up in the right-hand corner, you're going to see my Instagram, my YouTube, my Twitter. Now, you're probably watching this on my YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. We're doing live streams more often now than ever, and that's going to continue into the next year. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. That's where I'm posting a lot of my nuggets, stuff from my stream, stuff from videos like this that's very important. It's getting fed out into those social media outlets. But let's say you've been following me and you're ready to jump on and join the team. Maybe you're close to getting off the fence, I should say. That's when you'd want to come to our website and do some digging. So first, you'll see the education tab at the top. Then you'll see the trading journal tab where you can buy the journal right behind me. We have our coaches tab that we're going to go over, the mentorship for the Black Shirt Club as well up here. We have a merch tab so you can buy some cool ASFX swag. Our testimonials tab, which is my favorite tab. Then we have the about tab, our blog tab, and our live event tab. So we've got a lot going on here at ASFX, as you can tell. First, before we go through those tabs, just scroll down with me really quick. You'll see some sick testimonials that have come in over the last couple of months, a little welcome video. You'll see where we've been featured with some of the brands that we're working with. And I'd like you to take some time to watch these testimonials. These are live testimonials from our live seminars that we've been doing over the last year or two. If you continue to scroll down, you're going to see the limited offer for the ASFX starter pack. We're going to go into that in a second. You'll see a bigger link to take you to our education page. And beneath that, you'll see our trading journal and, of course, the podcast if you'd like to stay updated there. Now, if we go to the education page, we're going to either click Learn More here, we can click Learn More here, or we can click up at the top. Let's click the education page and you'll see. At first, we have the ASFX starter pack going across the top. Now, this is our most popular, our best seller for a reason. You're getting the beginner course, which teaches our A1 strategy, and you're getting the advanced course, which teaches the D1 and the D2. You're getting both of those together for a great price. You're saving money than if you were to buy them separate. Plus, you get access to our VIP Discord chat, which I'm going to show you here in a second. Beneath the starter pack, you'll see our Backtesting 101 course. This is where you get access to a spreadsheet that Jerome built. It automates all of your testing and all of your analysis for your trading. So this is something that most traders do after they've completed the starter pack. Beneath that, for those that are really looking to immerse themselves, which I recommend in ASFX content, we have a brand new-ish seminar bundle where we're combining 2 live events to give you 13 hours of trading content in one product. Now, like I said, you can also take our beginner course individually, our advanced course individually. Each of these courses will teach you a proprietary entry and exit system. It will detail the checklists for entry. It'll detail how to manage the trades, how to position size yourself properly, and what to do if a trade isn't working for you, and what to do if a trade is working for you. All of it is explained because our systems are very repeatable, very, very detailed. And I think that, again, is what separates us from all the other trading education companies out there. Beneath the beginner course and advanced course, you can find out information on the Philly seminar replay, the how to scale up your trading, which again, like the starter pack that bundles the beginner course and the advanced course right here, the seminar replay bundles these 2 seminars. So go in here and check them out. If you actually click, let's just say on the Philly seminar one, and if you click Learn More, there's a little recap video here, some testimonials from people that have come to the event. So you can check this out. It's, again, I never want you to just take my word for it. Now, if you're brand new to trading and you're not ready to jump in with either of our main courses, that's where we have our Forex Crash Course and our Trader Toolkit. Cheaper products, not as long as the main courses, just to get your toe into the water. If you've never traded at all before, these are both great places to start. They go hand in hand. I say they're like peas in a pod. These 2 courses, it's only 2 hours between the 2 of them. It's a great place to start. If you're still on the fence, you don't want to commit to the full price, these are very cheap. I just built these so that we could introduce people to Forex, and from there, hopefully get you into the starter pack and get you into the beginner course. Now, when you do take the courses, you get access to our VIP Discord chat. This is what our Discord chat looks like. Now, the only people that can communicate in here are people that have finished the courses. I'm very selective about that, and I think that's what makes ASFX unique as well. Most people will just sell you a fee into their group chat. You pay them $30 and you're in, or $100 and you're in. We don't do that. You have to take the courses so everybody in here communicates the same way and is on the same page, speaks the same language. That makes a huge difference in the community. That's why we have a very low turnover rate. People don't come in and leave. People come in, they get active, and they stay here. We've got guys that have been trading with me in ASFX for over 3 years now. So in here, just to be brief, everyone can communicate in all of these tabs here. The only tab that you as the trader in ASFX can't type in is the coach's ideas. Now in here, this is where me, James, Lindsay, Jerome, and the other coaches communicate our trade ideas every single day. We send markups, we send our watch list, what we're going to trade, what we are trading. This is where you can follow along after taking the courses and see how they're applied in the live market every single day. I also have a tab here for chart markups. These are photos of trades that fit the systems that you're going to learn in the courses. So this is like that continued learning, again, that a lot of other trading education companies just don't provide. So that's what we offer on the education side of things. And again, the best place to start is with this starter pack right here at the top. You get access to the beginner course, the advanced course, and the Discord chat for life. No membership fees, no none of that. Moving forward to the different tabs here along the top. Actually, before we do that, let me just show you the courses. If you take a look, this is what the back end of the beginner course looks like in Kajabi. So you can see the different chapters. They're all detailed out very clearly with what we're going to discuss. And you can see the bonus content down here with updates. Every year, at least once a year, I update the courses. Now, this is true for the beginner course and the advanced course. If you look, this is the advanced course. You can see part 1 and 2 of each chapter, part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here of the D1 system, the D2 system, how to join the chat, and then of course the bonus content here. So I'm constantly updating these courses, keeping you guys current on what's going on in the market and how the systems are working in the market. You can even see here, this is the backtesting course. Here's where you get access to the spreadsheet. And again, Jerome constantly doing updates for this course as well, keeping it current, keeping it fresh so that it's applicable. Here's the content for the Philly seminar replay. You can see this is broken down by chapter as well. Section by section, we go through all the different content. And then here, the how to scale up your trading replay as well right here for this seminar. So this is what the back end looks like when you join. You come in and you can click any of these videos and just start watching right away. Boom, and you're in. This is exactly what it looks like. Good. So now let's move over. Like I said, I want to go through these other tabs quickly. At the top here, you'll see the trading journal tab. This is what most traders in ASFX are using with that backtesting spreadsheet. They write their trades, they do their business notes here in their trading journal. As you can see, there's a lot of space to write in it. And then they transfer the live trades into the spreadsheet to keep up with their backtesting. So you can grab your trading journal here. At the top next to the trading journal tab, we have our coaches tab. Here you'll see the coaches. These are ASFX traders from all over the world. South Africa, Ryan's in Florida, Lindsay's in UK, Jerome is in Australia, all corners of the world here, helping other traders get started using the ASFX systems. So these are like my boots on the ground. These are successful traders that know what we're doing, that know how to teach the ASFX systems, and they're helping spread that. Now, taking that a step deeper, we have the Black Shirt Club. This is where James and I, James is one of the coaches, we are working in a limited capacity with only 15 traders, really focusing on them and helping them scale up. Now, if you're a serious trader, you're either already making money or you are at a point in your trading where you want more mentorship, more accountability, the Black Shirt Club is for you. So that's where we have that. Also here, you'll see the merch tab next to that where you can come in, like I said, grab any sweatshirts, stickers, mugs, hoodies, cell phone cases, all the fun stuff, right? That's here at the merch tab. And then I mentioned this before, my testimonials tab. This is like my favorite tab because here, don't take my word for any of this. Read what other people are saying about ASFX. These are verified Trustpilot reviews, real screenshots that I clearly cannot fake, and look at all of them. Hundreds of them. So come in here and take a look for yourself. You can also go to our About page. You can read about me, Riley, see where we are featured, and all that fun stuff. And then our blog here at the top. We do occasionally do some blog posts. If you're more of a if you're more of a reader, if you'd rather learn that way, we have the blog. And then the last tab here at the top is the live event tab. Now, as you can see, it's dated for our first live event of 2022. This is coming up in January. Here's where we sell our tickets to those live events. So if we are hosting one in the near future from when you're watching this video, this is the tab that you would come to buy that ticket. So now that you've seen the website, you've seen the Discord chat, you know what we're offering on the back end of the courses, I think it gives you a really good idea of what ASFX is. You know that the starter pack is the place to go. You know you can come to our website and read and watch testimonials from other real people and see how they're making money using the systems that we teach. So if there's any other questions, put them in the comments. I'm here to help. I just want to make sure that it's very clear what we offer at ASFX and what makes us unique. No membership fees, your lifetime access, you get into our Discord chat where everybody speaks the same language and you're communicating with me and the other coaches every single day. I don't think that there's anything else that you really need if you're looking to be a self-sufficient and consistently profitable trader. So if you have any other questions, like I said, put them in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you in the VIP chat very soon.